Hello, good morning. Hello friends. Today video I am showing you the file structure of a simple project. Let's see. Let's start the file structuring of this one. Let's checking the file. First file will be a package.json from where all the dependencies are installed in my package.json file, and the dev dependencies, which dev dependency is not being installed in the my prod environment. Okay, in the package.json file and index.file. What's happening in the index.file file? There is a file, some import of normal modules which are using in this project. Okay, there is a constant file we are using in that port. Okay, what's called destructuring. In JavaScript we are using for destructuring. From this file we have implemented a port number. So from destructuring I extract from this file, and there is a MongoDB connection for the connect function is there. So I extract from this function at a destruction way. There is a main route file. Okay, and these are the stuffs of from a security purpose. These are the stuffs we have implemented: Mongo sanitizer, XSS, helmet. These are the way, and rate limiter. These are the modules we are requiring according to the project need and safety. These are the stuffs we are implemented, and main routes will be a route, and here is the error handling we have done from a central way. If any routes will not found in this project, then is so the request not found, and here is the error handling. Okay, right now the main part is which I want to show you, the route one. Here is a router. Okay, the router will be a C. The router's main route.js. Let's see the example here. Main route.js. From here I basically implemented my domain name / path. The admin will be a path, user will be a path, and assistant will be a path, and owner will be a path. Just seeing the example. The URL, the localhost 3000 will be my domain name, then admin will be a path, and fetch assistant will be my endpoint. So these are the basically I implemented this one. Basically I implemented this in this way because of modularization. If any error will happen, then I have sure that the error will goes in admin section only, not a user and assistant. That's why I implemented in this way. The admin will be a path, and from this path, when I go to this path, then here is all routes I have declared in this section. Something, these are the main endpoint I declare in this section. Okay, and from this section I have declared. Right now, after that, there is a node modules. You can ignore that. The models of mongoose, these are the models, and middleware, which are basically basic middleware. The token validator, MPT validator, user have access of route or not. These are the validating we are using. And after that we have controller have basically I have 4 user, then we have implemented four folder: admin, assistant, owner, user. And admin, we have created a file here and file here, and delete category this one, and module or export will be here. For delete category I implemented this endpoint in here, delete category. Okay, here are the routes, here are the controller. According to user I have implemented that. The number of user means number of roles of user, admin, assistant, I implemented that. There is a config file. From there constant.js I implemented that as a environment setup, something development in production. These are the stuffs. Process.env file I have set up this. All the stuffs are putting in the .env file. These are the message I implemented. These are the credential. These are the server code and owner type, and all these stuff are exported from this module. Basically in this one, the common one will be a app.js, the common error handling file. Then helper function, the main helper function basically used to there is a multiple function which required which is required in all project. So I declare in helper function, and we are using that function in everywhere in the project. These are the basically implement, and the response file, these are the things are implemented. So that's it for today video. If there any issue, please comment out me, or please comment out me. If you need a GitHub repo for this project repo, then comment out in this video. I will provide a GitHub link in videos. Okay, thanks.